vegetarian is easy and delicious. Who loves soup? Let's make some today.
The vegetarian old cucumber soup is light and nourishing, with red dates for natural sweetness, carrots for nutrients, and vegetarian anchovies for a flavorful umami boost. Just simmer and enjoy this comforting, healthy soup perfect for the whole family. Old cucumber helps clear heat, relieve summer heat, and promote hydration, while being rich in vitamins and antioxidants perfect for hot weather.
Let's cooking.
Ingredients: old cucumber, carrot, red dates, ginger. Vegan anchovies, mushroom stems, traditional soft tofu, vegetables, soup stock. Fill the soup pot with water. When peeling the old cucumber, leave strips of skin at intervals for added texture and nutrients. Partially peeling the old cucumber, leaving skin strips, enhances the soup's texture and nutrition. Skin contains fiber, antioxidants, prevents overcooking, and maximizes its heat-clearing properties in TCM. Removing the ends of old cucumber eliminates bitterness, while scooping out seeds prevents astringency and ensures a clearer, sweeter broth. The trimmed flesh absorbs flavors better and achieves ideal tenderness. If the cucumber has spoiled sections, be sure to completely cut away the damaged areas, as the remaining fresh parts are still safe to use. When trimming, remove extra surrounding flesh to prevent potential bacterial contamination.
Seed-heavy cucumbers are ideal for soup, but deseed them. What are the benefits of old cucumber seeds?
Old cucumber seeds are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, usable dried for herbal medicine or ground for consumption, but remove when cooking soup to prevent bitterness. Peel the carrot and cut into rolling wedges or rough chunks for stewing. Cutting carrots into rolling wedges maximizes surface area, allowing them to release sweetness into the soup while maintaining a firm texture. Carrots release natural sugars when simmered, creating a subtly sweet and robust broth. Pair with old cucumber to enhance flavor depth, ideal for vegetarian soups. Red dates add a natural sweetness and mellow flavor to soups, especially when paired with mild ingredients like old cucumber or lotus root. In TCM, red dates tonify chi, nourish blood, and calm the mind. Regular consumption may alleviate pallor and fatigue.
Why add ginger in soup?
Ginger in vegetarian soups neutralizes cooling properties, enhances flavor, and aids nutrient absorption, ideal with melons or mushrooms. Optional to add traditional soft tofu, omit if you dislike. Tofu adds plant-based protein, calcium, complementing the vitamins in old cucumber for a nourishing balance. Tofu soaks up broth for creamy texture, while cucumber adds freshness, perfect contrast. Toss everything except tofu into the pot to boil. Add tofu last, keeps it tender. Add a cube of vegetable stock, cube A. Cover the pot, select the soup function, and set it to cook for 30 minutes.
30 20 minutes later.
Seasoning with salt and pepper powder to taste. Black pepper adds a spicy warmth to old cucumber soup, amplifying its sweetness while aiding digestion. Sprinkle it off heat to lock in the aroma. Add silken tofu 3 to 5 minutes before turning off the heat and simmer 2 minutes on low after adding, as gentle poaching preserves its delicate texture while preventing dehydration and breakage from prolonged boiling.
This soup is loaded with goodness. Plus vegan anchovies.
Steaming hot old cucumber soup is done. Let's dig in. The old cucumber soup is gentle on digestion and low in calories, helping seniors stay hydrated and nourished while soothing discomfort from summer heat. Old cucumber's high water, potassium content promotes cooling and diuresis, ideal for summer. Old cucumber skin is low-calorie and fibrous at 15 kcal, 100 g. Its skin's fiber aids digestion. In TCM, its cooling nature soothes dryness in heaty constitutions. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right?
How to boost flavor in vegetarian soups.
Umami base, simmer dried shiitake, a kombu, bamboo shoots for vegetarian stock rich in natural glutamates. Depth building, roast, sauté veggies, for example onions, carrots, for caramelization before boiling. Acid trick, a spoon of rice vinegar, tomato dissolves minerals for brighter flavor. Can't wait to test these tricks and report back. Hope they inspire your soup experiments too. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.